Hey, what's going on YouTube? Scratcher Heaven here. Hey, I just recently picked up the iPhone 8 Plus, so I wanted to share with you my latest pickup and getting rid of this really ugly Stormtrooper looking case. And I got myself a Torras case, and of course this is that nice gloss black. This Torras case is really nice because it's super thin. And really, that is the prime benefit of the latest phones is the lightweight, the thinness. Well, this is pretty much a phablet, so it's not really lightweight, but it's got this really nice matte finish. It's super thin. It is a high-strength plastic. I had this for my iPhone 7 and had great luck with it, so putting it on the 8 Plus, and let's just go ahead and install it. Should slip in pretty easily, like such, and voila, got a very nice case, matte finish, fingerproof free. It is currently $9.99 on Amazon, so I'll include a link below, and also include a really nice link to tempered glass, which will protect your iPhone, really expensive iPhone, from screen damage. And these things are really hard and still super sensitive, so you know it's got that great feel to it. Still very responsive, but it'll really protect your investment. So when you guys upgrade to the iPhone X, the iPhone 10, X is wrong, iPhone 10, you can get the max resale value for your device. So $10, and then the screensavers, typically a 2-pack is just a few dollars. So. Alright guys, I'll include a couple links below. Appreciate you guys watching. This is Scratcher Evan. See ya.